Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable slow charging on Samsung Galaxy A16. To do that, go into settings, then in settings go to battery. In battery you can go all the way down to charging settings, and now you can disable fast charging, so it will only charge slowly. You can also enable battery optimization, charging optimization by enabling battery protection and setting it to adaptive. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.